This is what we came here for. Look at that bad boy. Ooh, he's huge. And he's got beautiful colors. Let's see if I can get it in the sunlight so I can show you guys. It's just not a hybrid, he's just a straight bluegill, but man, he's got big old eyeballs. Look at that. He saw that worm and he wanted it. And we got a good, decent hook set too. Right there in the corner of the mouth. That's my biggest one yet today, y'all. He's, show you compared to my hand. Can't even see my hand, that sucker's. They're getting bigger, y'all. See if we can get a nice thick one. Go put them in the bucket. Grab another worm. Oh, we still got a worm.